Hi everyone, this is my 1999 911. It started its life as a basic Carrera 2, but then the previous owner took it and rebuilt the whole engine. And on top of that, he added MK1 GT3 aero kit without the rear wing. I bought the rear wing and put it on the car.
By the way, speaking about the engine rebuild, what about everyone's favorite topic, the IMS?
The IMS and the RMS, yeah. It's also done in this rebuild. It was done for precaution.
Which bearing have you used?
The upgraded, but not the oiled one, the dual roll one.
From LN,
yes,
probably?
From the LN engineering.
These engines are from the factory are highly strong,
Yeah.
so you cannot improve much.
Exactly.
Despite the claims you would get from air filter manufacturers, etc.
Yeah, that's why I focused on weight savings, because it is cheaper, it is more reliable, and at the end of the day, it is gonna help with the fuel mileage, of course, if you are gonna daily drive it. Since then, I focused on track usage.
But still, you want a car compliant enough to be a weekend driver apart from the track as well, right?
Exactly. I have deleted the washers for the front lamps. I have also deleted the left-hand side AC radiator. It allows me a better airflow to the coolant radiator. I can say that this is minus 95 kilograms compared with the stock 996. The biggest weight saving lies in the seats. So I approximately saved 20 kilograms per side.
Weight loss you were speaking about includes the roll bar as well?
Yeah,
After
exactly.
The roll bar.
Exactly.
Okay. So how much does the roll bar weigh?
17 kilograms. Actually, roll bar didn't give me a lot of stiffness, chassis stiffness, because due to being a coupe car from the factory, it really has a high torsional stiffness value.
Yes.
And I just connected lower anchor points, and those points don't have a flex between them. So I just put it for harnesses and roll safety basically, and it looks cool. I don't want it to be stand out from the outer view of the car, but still a keen eye can see it. That is the point of the whole car. I don't want to make it a sleeper, but I don't want to make it look a ricer. So then yeah, let's continue with the weight savings. I deleted the rear seats, rear belts, and also rear insulation between the rear panels. So all of those small figures add up into a bigger number at the end of the day. So for example, I deleted the
black hole.
Yeah, black plug. Yeah, it is the rear wiper delete, and it weighs probably around 1.6 1.7 kilograms. So
with the motor.
with the motor. I did an X pipe. Other than that, it has VVD sport silencers, but it is not sport. It's just the sport look, but inside it, it's an OM muffler. Other than that, I put a oil pan deep sump kit for track performance.
How much of extra capacity for the oil?
1 liter.
What about the water pump? Is it stuck?
Yeah, everything is just stuck.
Okay.
So oil pan and X pipe, and other than that, I have an intake hose for the resonator delete.
Does it work really?
Actually, I bought it like this, so I can't compare it. The brakes on the front, we have Cayenne Turbo S calipers and discs combined with our original front caliper, which was on the front. I put them in the back and combined them with 996 4S discs, which kept the brake bias as close as possible to the original. And keeping the stock discs of a Porsche car keeps the maintenance costs very low.
Yes.
I'm not using any Pagid or Wilwood or Brembo aftermarket discs, so I can just go to a Porsche dealer, Porsche store, and buy the discs and brake parts there.
I mean, the stock brakes already take some beating
Yeah.
to overheat, so
Yeah, this is where the Cayenne discs actually kicks in, because its thickness is so high. It is even higher than 997 turbo discs. So that's why with a 1300 kilogram car, it's a lot. You can't overheat the brakes. We have a GT3 master brake cylinder combined with these brakes, because otherwise the pedal feel felt very bad. The ABS kicked in more than usual. That's why the master cylinder helped a lot with the brake feeling. The adapters were designed by me and also manufactured by me. I made a mock-up from 3D printer, then made it from aluminium block. Manufactured this in my friend's CNC. It's not an invention, because a colleague in UK doing the same thing. I'm just copying his work. Cayenne Turbo brakes were his idea, and it is working very great.
I mean, Ferdinand Porsche copied the ideas of Hans Lendvinka, so I think we can live with that.
Yeah. I just put a KW variant 3 coilovers. It has bump, rebound and height setting. The height is where the GT3 stands, so it is MO 30, which is 30 millimeters lower than the stock Carrera. So while lowering the car, I didn't want to change the geometry of the car.
By the way, you keep this stuck sway bars, right?
No, I also upgraded the sway bars very recently, and it is HR, I believe 10 millimeter thicker up front and 15 millimeter thicker on the rear, and the rear has also two different positions to set it up, and it changed the drive a lot. I definitely suggest the sway bar as a first modification for every 996 owner. Even with the coilovers, coilovers couldn't help this roll, so sway bars solved the issue. We can see that I have a Momo Mod 7 steering wheel and the airbag delete, of course, and you can see the Recaro seats, Recaro Spgs. They are the lightest, best looking seat in the market according to me. And I have a short shifter from eBay, not a fancy one, but they all does the same thing.
So how was it when the transmission was called?
Yeah, nothing had changed. I deleted the radio, I deleted the amplifier in the front, and I also deleted the speakers. So no music anymore. You can see that there is a strut mount on the rear, and you can see where the roll cage bolted in. It's just basically lower seat belt connection points. Before moving to the front, I also upgraded the flywheel. I changed it with a lightweight flywheel, and it saved 50% weight from the engine side, and it's definitely helped making the car go faster. I also bought a roof panel. The car has sunroof, and I'm gonna save around 18 kilograms from top. I just bought the original Porsche one, so we are just gonna dismount it from the original spot welds, then weld it again. Pedals are the VWD steel ones, again the previous owner did it. So you can see that we have a front strut mount too, and between the strut mount we have a lightweight battery. It weighs 6.5 kilograms, and it is PC 680. Again, we can drop every part on the car to the description list.
So what about the limited slip differential?
Yeah, actually on the drivetrain we forgot to mention that we have an coilovers LST. The car has an extra set of wheels which the track semi-slicks are on. They are OZ Allegeritas. They are probably one of the lightest wheels available on the market.
So one of the big savings.
Actually, not the biggest one, because those Carrera Sport wheels are the Porsche manufactured lightest wheels. So I saved a couple of kilograms on each corner, but not much, combined with currently Nankang AR1s.
Any remorse about any of the modifications you made? You feel like this has become a bit over the top?
Actually no, because currently what I did so far is basically reversible, and I can change the stock anytime I want. Despite that ease, I don't want to change anything, and that is the point where I just want the car to be at.